Okay guys, we are back here again. What we are going to create today, we are going to create this effect. I don't know, maybe you find the differentiation or not, but we are going to create a day to night effect. How? It's really easy. We create a new slide. In our blank space, we need to have two background picture. One, this background picture, we paste it here, and we need the status of liberty picture. I crop this picture by using Photoshop. If you like, I can create a course, and if you don't like, there are many videos on how to crop the pictures with many things. I think you can do it with Canvas or many options we have here. But I do it by Photoshop and I do something wrong. I forget to delete these things, but it's not our problem right now. We want to create a day and night effect. The text is as easy as always. What we do with the text font is 150 and the shape format is here. We use this shape format. Okay, the shape is ready. Now it's the first slide. What we are going to do in our second slide, we are going to create a new slide and paste the picture. But as you can see, when we paste this picture here, it looks like here is night, here is day, and it's a huge problem. What is happening? It's not worth of watching. Let me just copy this picture and paste it here for you to see. It's darker. How we can do something like this? We just go to picture, format picture, and go here, picture corrections, and make the brightness low. You can also use this thing to create a great shadow, something like this. And then you can put your, let me just put it a little down. Now just you can put your text here. This text is as always, and this text is a text I copy from Google, not a very important text. And we just align the text a little, make it center, increase in font. But I'm creating this as a template. But when you're going to create a presentation, you don't have more than 5 sentences in each page. I'm going to tell you about this later, but now it's a great template. You see, but we have a problem. You see it here. When it's going to change, here is a smooth, but when here is going to change, it's going from black to white. How we can change it? We just copy this picture and send it to back. Now, see the effect? Seeing the effect? It's really great. Okay, this template have been created. We have more than many templates in our channel. If you want, you can go and see the templates. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Ask me any question if you have in the comments. And thank you for your support and time. Have a good and nice day.